Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to take a screenshot in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Using the print screen key, press Windows key plus print screen to capture the entire screen. The screenshot will be saved automatically in the Screenshots folder inside the Pictures library. Press print screen to copy the entire screen to the clipboard. You can then paste it into an image editor like Paint. Using the snipping tool, press Windows key plus Shift plus S to open the Snip and Sketch tool. You can choose from 4 options: Rectangular Snip, Freeform Snip, Window Snip, and Full Screen Snip. The screenshot will be copied to the clipboard, and you can edit it and save it. Or go to the Start menu, and search for Snipping tool and open it. Click on New to take the screenshot, then you can edit it and save it. Using the game bar, press Windows key plus G to open the game bar. Click the camera icon or press Windows key plus Alt plus print screen to take a screenshot. The screenshot will be saved in the Captures folder inside the videos library. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.